Make a great choice today with the 2020 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, dual pane panoramic sunroof, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.